Hello dear students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And the topic for my lecture is one word substitution. So starting with the alphabet A shortened form of a word or a phrase is called abbreviation. Please look at the spelling. ABBREVIATION. You must have come across many of the abbreviations. Now let us look at a sentence. AIR is abbreviation of All India Radio. Then second, to do away with completely means abolish. Now let us look at the usage. Child marriage was abolished by the Child Marriage Act in 2006. Then next, to increase the speed of is called accelerate. ACCLERATE, accelerate. Now let us see the usage. Fuel will accelerate the burning process. Next, science that studies the production, transmission, reception of sounds is called acoustics. ACOUSTICS. Now let us look at the sentence. Ram loves listening to acoustic folk music. Okay, next is one who deals with insurance is called actuary. Now let us look at the sentence. The company needs suggestions of a qualified actuary regarding an upcoming project. Okay, next, growth between boyhood and youth is called adolescence. Now sentence, he is in his adolescence years. Next, one who is not sure of the existence of God is called agnostic. Now look at the sentence. Agnostic people doubt existence of God. Okay, next is allowance due to wife from her husband after separation is called alimony. Now let's see the sentence. Sheila was awarded rupees 10 lakh as alimony from her husband. Okay, next word is one who does something not professionally but for a pleasure is called amateur. Now the sentence is they are amateur vloggers. Next is a diplomatic minister of the highest order sent by one country to another is called ambassador. AMBASSADOR. Now let's see its usage. Dr. B.L. Jain is ambassador of India in South Africa. Okay, next is a statement open to more than one interpretation is called ambiguous. AMBIGUOUS. Now sentences, I could not understand him because he was making ambiguous statements. Now next is general pardon. General pardon is called amnesty. War prisoners were given amnesty by the government. Okay, next is absence of government. Absence of government is called anarchy. Now let's see its usage. There is a complete anarchy in the African continent. Okay, next word is anonymous. A letter, poem, etc. whose author is unknown is called anonymous. Now let's see the sentence. The famous poem is still anonymous. Okay, next is a medicine which prevents infection by killing germs is called antiseptic. So let's see the usage. Dettol is a famous antiseptic lotion brand. Okay, next. One who does not believe in the existence of God is called atheist. Now let's see its usage. The atheist refused to say the prayer. Okay. Next is person who makes an official examination of the accounts is called auditor. Now let us look at the sentence. The auditor will be coming to the office to audit the accounts. Next is the life history of a person written by himself is called autobiography. Now the sentence is, my experiments with the truth is an autobiography by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, moving on to alphabet C. Working together for specific purpose is collaboration. Now let us look at the sentence. Samsung and Nokia will do a collaboration on a new Android phone. Okay, next is people working together in same office or department are called colleagues. Now the sentence is, all of my colleagues are very friendly and amiable. Okay, next is to give one's authority to another is called delegate. Now the sentence, the officer will be sending a delegate on his behalf to the collectorate. Okay, next is government by the people is democracy. Now let us look at the sentence. India is governed by the principle of democracy. Now next is study of the relation of living things to environment is called ecology. Now the sentence is, pollution has destroyed ecology of the earth. Okay, next is putting to death painlessly is called euthanasia. Now let us look at the sentence. Netherlands was the first country in the world to legalize euthanasia in the year 2002. Then a speech delivered without any preparation is called extempore. EXTEMPORE. Now let's have a look at its usage. Politicians are expert in giving extempore speech. Okay, next is an exact copy, facsimile. Now sentence is, the warrant was handed over by facsimile transmission. Okay, next is one who thinks of the welfare of the woman is called feminist. Sita is a feminist activist in Gujarat. Next is work for which no salary is paid is called honorary. Remember here H is silent, it is called honorary. H is silent. Now let's see the sentence. I work honorary in this office. Okay, next is person taken as a prisoner for the fulfillment of an agreement is called hostage. Now let's see the usage. 12 people were taken hostage by the terrorist in Kashmir. Next, that which cannot be read clearly is called illegible. Now the sentence is, your handwriting is completely illegible. Then a trade prohibited by law is called illicit. Now let us look at the sentence. Drug trafficking is an illicit trade. Okay, next. Not supporting any sides in an argument is impartial. Sentence. Judge should be impartial in the whole process. Okay, next is that which is not likely to happen, improbable. Sentence. It is improbable that minister will come to the office. Next is a sound which cannot be heard is inaudible. Sentence. Music is inaudible. Then a story or statement that cannot be believed is called incredible. Now let us see its usage. It is an incredible story. Then next, that cannot be explained, inexplicable. So we can make a sentence from the word inexplicable as, the matter is completely inexplicable. So this concludes the part 1 of the one word substitution, and there will be also part 2 in the upcoming lecture. Thank you.